Now, for some reason, you guys like Kingpin videos. So here we go, Kingpin Volvo. All right, now this is not OEM. This is a stemco setup. You got, when you put this in there, you got to go ahead and make sure that you're flush right here at the edge of the seat there. You don't want to be flush at the other side because there's a seal that goes in there. So just make sure you got room for the seal. Take your pin, make sure it goes in there nice and snug. Should be a trim fit, no movement. There we go. All right, so what you want to do is you want to pack your bearing. There's not going to be much grease in there because it's going to push out a lot. You put your seal on the bottom of the bearing race there. Just right in the top. Now, you get this in the bottom here, you'll have to tap it in with a hammer. You have to look. It's not all the way down. There we go. Now you see how the seal's protruding down through there? Just like that. All right, now there's no shim that goes here. The seal goes straight on here, right? Now this is down here. Goes right down here on the bottom of your spindle. Kingpin opening. There should be a snug fit on there. So, take your Kingpin, shaped like a giant, you know what? Working in from the bottom. And when we put this in there, there's no need for no Yanny C's or anything. It's got to be a tight fit. All right, so this nut that goes on here, socket size is 2 3/8. Go down a little bit, but it turns into a lock nut. No keeper, just a straight lock nut. Alright, so you put this on here. If you don't jam this pin up in here and put something under it to jack it up, all it's going to do is sit there and spin. Okay, then you want to get your torque wrench and everything. You want to torque it down to 250. Alright, first stage you're going to torque it to 250, make sure it moves freely, and then torque it up to 600. There we go. And just like that, it smooths Mark Wahlberg's chest back when he was an underwear model, and that's smooth. Alright, so we got our top cap we're going to put on here. We're going to put a new O-ring on here. Same thing on the bottom. Now these caps torque to 120. Once you get them on, and that's pretty much it. I appreciate everyone watching. The only thing we got left to do is to grease the fun out of it.